What's up guys? Today I'll be teaching you how to do the most basic foundational trick that you need to know, the trapeze. For those of you who don't know, I would recommend an unresponsive yo-yo for this trick, which is basically a yo-yo that doesn't come up when pulled. And for this trick, you are going to need to know how to do a side style throw, which is basically a throw that's sideways. If you don't actually know how to do this trick yet, I suggest you go search up a tutorial and save this video for later. Now, the first thing that you'll probably notice after you throw a breakaway is that the yo-yo will start swinging like in a pendulum motion. That's normal and you want to keep it that way, so it can help boost the momentum of the yo-yo to help land the trapeze easier. When the yo-yo is swinging, you want to stick a finger out and then let the momentum of the yo-yo automatically swing it onto your finger. And you can help the yo-yo get onto your finger by using your non-throw hand to pull the yo-yo to the side, so it's easier for the yo-yo to land on the string. So if you hit that, it should look something like this. Another tip is that your hands should be in line, not one hand in front of the other, so that the yo-yo can land on the string more easily, or else the yo-yo might either be in front of the string or behind the string and not on the string. So when you're throwing the trapeze correctly, your non-throw hand's motion should be kind of like a clockwise circle, and it should be kind of like this. One more tip is that when you throw the yo-yo into the trapeze, try to make the yo-yo closer to your finger to land on the string, because if the yo-yo lands on the middle of the string or even further, it's harder to land it. So if you land it closer to your finger, it should be easier to hit. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video, and that's all for today. Don't forget to comment what you want me to do next and drop a like and hit that subscribe button.